Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to start a course on the Brilliant application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the courses option down below, which is the second option. Here you should select from these courses. As you can see, the first category is popular courses. So if you swipe to the right side of the screen, you will be able to discover all of these courses. If you scroll down, you will be able to find the recommended courses for students. And here are the popular learning paths, such as Math Foundations, Beyond the Nutshell, Real Engineering, Computer Science Foundations. And if you tap on the See More Path button, you will be able to select from these categories. If you scroll down, you will be able to select from these big categories like math, science, computer science, and then you will be able to find further categories there. So you should tap on the relevant one that you are interested in and would like to start. Here you should get to know to this course itself, read about the introductory part, and then tap on Start Course in the middle of the screen. Here you will be able to read a brief summary of the first lesson. Tap on Start Lesson, and then you will be able to start studying. Tap on Continue if you have read this first text, and then you will be required to do the exercises. So if you want to check your answer, tap on the button Check. As you can see, it's not correct. If you don't understand anything, tap on the explanation button, and the answer will be explained to you. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.